So I've been on the market for a small benchtop drill press, and I was in Harbor Freight the other day and I saw this little 10-inch benchtop. It's a 6.2 amp and thought I'd pick it up. They had one in the back. They had no price tag, so a guy had to help me get it from the back. Looks like this is the new Bauer line of drill presses. I don't know if Central Machinery drill presses are on their way out, but they are all on clearance at my local store in Louisiana here. Got it home, had everything assembled within 10 to 15 minutes. The instructions are super clear. Everything's where it should be. Chuck key. So very easy on the assembly. I think it's cool to have, cast iron base and table. Bolts are really tough, really strong. The whole system is, it does what it should. In terms of stability, you definitely will want a mobile base. But it has some features like the light and the laser that I thought were cool additions and improvements on the Central Machinery versions. It's got a chuck key holder on the side. It is belt driven, and so you can pull up on the top, and it's got the belt settings that are right there for you. So it's very convenient. You just detension the knob and then set your belt however you need to set it. It's got a depth stop, which is really nice, and it's very accurate and very kind of sturdy. The top is canted, kind of like the Central Machinery silver ones. I don't like that so much, but hey, it's what it is. $169, so I'm not going to complain too much. There's the tensioning knob. When you turn it off, it does make a noise on the motor, but I think that's standard. And it drilled right through this red oak stock, 4/4 stock, just fine. Clean, does exactly what it's supposed to do, and this is why I bought it. I have no complaints. It looks like this is a really cool line that's coming. I don't know if they're going to make bigger ones, smaller ones, but this drill press for $169, I'm very happy to have it in the shop. Like I said, I'll build a mobile base and add some stability there. But overall, if you're looking for a small benchtop drill press, good job, Harbor Freight. I really can't complain. I think all the features, aesthetically, it looks good as well. So it's not super heavy. I don't know the exact weight. And that's the funny thing. There's not a lot on the website. In fact, there's nothing on the website. I got a receipt. Once you click on the actual item, it goes to a page that doesn't exist. So it looks like Harbor Freight has not started to market these, but they do exist. Check your stores. Bauer Drill Presses, Harbor Freight.